Kids, today we will guess the missing numbers from 1 to 30. Guess the number which is after 1. It's a number 2. Guess the number which is after 3. It's a number 4. Guess the number which is after 6. It's a number 7. Guess the number which is after 9. It's a number 10. Guess the number which is after 10. It's a number 11. Guess the number which is after 12. It's a number 13. Guess the number which is after 14. It's a number 15. Guess the number which is after 16. It's a number 17. Guess the number which is after 18. It's a number 19. Guess the number which is after 20. It's a number 21. Guess the number which is after 22. It's a number 23. Guess the number which is after 24. It's a number 25. Guess the number which is after 26. It's a number 27. Guess the number which is after 28. It's a number 29. Children, practice the missing numbers given below. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to Kids School Bell.